Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well today. We are going to do something fun with my daughter Eleanor and her friend Juniper. There's Eleanor saying hello, and her friend Juniper is here with us. And we decided to have a little girl time today and do a little collage party. So what the three of us came up with was we are each going to be working on our own collage sheets. And every couple minutes, we're gonna pass what we were working on to the next person. So it's gonna be really fun. It'll be a little crazy here because there's three of us working. But what I did to prep with them was I pulled out some of my tissue paper and we went ahead and created some of our own layers so we can incorporate that into our collage. I'll go ahead and link the video where I show how to make the tissue paper sheets. It's quite a fun activity to do, and it's very easy. As you can see, the kids nailed it. So the link is here above. I also have, of course, my paint markers and some more collage sheets, and then we're just using a basic Elmer's glue to glue everything down. So there you see, that was our first trade. And of course, because this video is fast forwarded, this is gonna look like a little bit of a chaotic mess here, but just bear with us. It's been such a fun time having Eleanor's friend in town, and this was just such a fun activity. And we thought this would be a great thing for birthday parties or other times when kids are gathering to just create some art together and then swap it. And the neat thing is you get a little bit of everybody's artwork on your finished piece, and I just think that makes it a little extra special. What I did not have a chance to film was after these collage pages dried at the very end of the video, the girls actually ended up making zines out of these pieces of paper. We folded them just like we always do into an 8-page zine. So then that created a little booklet that they could put pictures in from the trip together, or they could put quotes or different things that they wanted to collect, like stickers or other little remnants from their visit and time together. So it ended up being a really great thing that Eleanor's friend could go home with, and it just brought us a little bit of joy because it was such a fun activity to do together. And I'm going to take a minute to, once again, I have been saying this in my last few videos since we have moved to Lisbon, my video setup is still not great, so I apologize for the shaky video that you see every now and then. I promise I am trying to make it better. And last but not least, I would like to say a big thank you to Juniper's brother Finn for filming some of the shots in this video and some of the behind the scenes. That was really helpful to have an extra set of hands, so thanks, Finn. Feel free to sit back and relax. I'm just gonna put on some music and you can kind of see how all these come together.